How to create private playlist on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about creating private playlist on YouTube. So now let's get started. So private playlists are great for organizing videos that you don't want to share publicly or that are just for your personal use, such as study materials, unlisted videos, or personal favorites. Keeping this playlist private ensures that only you can access them. So to get started, open the YouTube application on your mobile device first and make sure that it's updated to the latest version available. Now tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen to access your account details and scroll down to the playlist section. From here, click on View All option. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and then click on Create a New Playlist. Now enter a title for the playlist and then set the visibility, either private, public, or unlisted. Today in this video, we are going to create a private playlist on YouTube. So we are going to select private and then click on Create. Now you can see that the playlist has been created and we can easily add videos. For that, click on Add Videos option that is highlighted in white color. Then here you can simply search for the videos. Once you find the video you'd like to add on your playlist, click on Save option. Now choose the specific private playlist you'd like to add the video to. Then click on Done. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can create private playlist on YouTube. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.